Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from my Hobby Lobby bag, I am back. As I stated, I did get some of the clearance stickers at Hobby Lobby. Just, well, more than a few, but so I thought I would share them with you. Some of them were not on clearance and I got them anyways just because I needed some for birthdays. I'm in a birthday club and I make birthday cards every month. So these were $1.24 and these are dimensional stickers. Originally $4.99 and you get 4. And I love this one, Count the Happies. Create something beautiful every day, live a good life, make every second count. And then I got these. My sisters just came and thought I'd make them each a card. They came and helped take care of me as I'm recovering from surgery, which is still an ongoing process. These were $4.99 and on clearance for $1.24. I was pleased. Some of these I haven't seen anybody haul, so I was pleased. These are dimensional stickers, 16 pieces, and these are best friends, life is better with friends. So I love my tribe. There's the little friendship bracelets that we all used to make. And then I picked these up for birthdays. All the animals. I have a birthday kit. I can't remember who made it, but these will go well with that kit for birthdays. And I have a grandson and a granddaughter, so those are perfect. And then these are also $1.24. I love these because these are summer, so all the summer vibes. And then a lot of these are $1.24. I love the alligators or crocodiles, whichever you want to call them. Again, they will go with that birthday themed animal party kit. And then I have some nieces that are graduating, going off to college. So I was excited to find these. Campus life, all night, college. So those are fun. I'm not a big mermaid person, but these will be great for summer. That one has sand around it. I like that. Oh, there's another one with the sand. And then these are dimensional stickers. I really loved these. I just like the owls, the butterfly, the ladybug. There's a bee. Super fun. And then these are more summer ones. Squeeze the day, make lemonade, and be happy. I would like to say that to somebody sometimes, or some people that are so unhappy. And then these were these were $1.24, and they are just kind of love or sweethearts, anniversary, make wedding cards or whatever with these. And then this last one is dimensional stickers, family phrases. The most important things in life aren't things. Happiness is only real when shared. One happy family, what matters most. Enjoy the moments that make you smile. And then I got some flat ones just for that birthday collection that I have. I got these little animals. These were only 62 cents. I got 2 of the monkeys with the bananas. They're fun. I got 1 of the stickabilities, the cats. And I think you get 2 sheets in each one. Yeah, the front and back. And then I was excited to find these for 74 cents. These are all like the resin bows, epoxy bows. So those are fun to put on embellishments. Got some little candies. These were 74 cents. Then I got some more summer ones. These were 74 cents. Super cute. These would be cute on a memory dex or an ATC. And another sheet of summer. And then these were 74 cents. These are the foam stickers. Just all things girly. And then these are like a raised, kind of a little bit dimensional sticker. Flowers, 99 cents. I picked up these little crowns. I figured they could go on birthday cards, or for my grandson and granddaughter. And then I got the pink hearts. Don't know if I'll use them, but I might. These are glitter foam. And then these were not on clearance, but these were marked down 50%. So Paper Studio was 50% off. So these are like glitter foam bees. Super fun for summer. And then I got these that are cardstock stickers for 74 cents, all about summer. So those are fun. And then these three were not on sale. No, they were on sale. They were not on clearance. So these were 50% off. I got the birthday foam stickers, $3.99, so that made them $2. Some little birthday sayings, and so they were $1.50. Some more birthday ones, $1.50. And lastly, these were also $1.50, and they're a little bit dimensional, just birthday ones. So all those I can use to make cards. So that is my Hobby Lobby sticker haul. I can't believe that my store actually had it, because usually I miss out. And I did have to go in a wheelchair because I can't walk that far yet with my new knee. And my wonderful guy, he took me right to the stickers, and he would point them out to me when he saw the little orange sticker and asked me if I wanted those. So we went through the whole aisle, both sides. But so yeah, I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of their week, and I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.